doing great. Welcome to my channel Outright Incentive. Today we will talk about how to increase your personal growth. So there are 9 principles, but in this video we will learn only the first principle. So the first principle is drink more water. It is a small task towards self-improvement, but it's still a step. Our body needs 8 glasses of water a day to maintain body functions and keep you healthy. Also, dehydration causes headache, fatigue, and skin issues. Lot of people are actually dehydrated and they just don't know it. So keep water near you and set an alarm that reminds you to drink water after a specific time duration. Today, there are many apps that remind you to drink water. The trick here is that you have to keep the glass full and use a pretty large glass of water near you. It's a psychology trick called the availability bias that makes your brain think, hey, there's a bunch of water there, we should drink some water. It really makes a substantial difference on your energy level and also on the productivity. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did, do not forget to like, share, comment and also subscribe to Outright Incentive.